Abuti, say hello to the children.
Sanibona bantwana.
Today, we're learning how to say, what is this? And how much does it cost? Are you ready, kids? To ask, what is this? We say, yini le. And to ask, how much does it cost? We say, kubiza malini. Now let's see how Abuti uses these phrases.
Sawubona, yini le?
Isitelo.
Kubiza malini.
Okay, stop for a second. Let me explain. When we say yini le, the yini means it is what? And the le means this. It is what? This. And when we say kubiza malini, the kubiza means it costs. Malini means how much. So it costs how much.
Sawubona, yini le?
Imifino.
Kubiza malini. Sawubona, yini le?
Ubisi.
Kubiza malini. Sawubona, yini le?
Isinkwa.
Kubiza malini.
And now you know how to say, what is this? And how much does it cost in isiZulu?
Salani kahle.
Goodbye, Abuti.